Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this salt and pepper grinder set is the perfect fit for our kitchen. The sleek stainless steel looks great and in my opinion fits in with any type of decor. Because it's hand powered, you don't have to worry about replacing or recharging any battery, and they're very easy to operate. It's also super simple to refill. All you have to do is unscrew the bottom piece, and using a funnel, you can refill the salt and pepper. I didn't have a funnel, so I used a paper towel as a makeshift funnel, and it was still very easy to refill. You can also use whole peppercorn, which we have in the past, but whole peppercorn does get ground up by these. I think they would be super easy to pack for camping or any place you need to travel with them, and they are a really nice fit in a small space like we have here in our RV. So if you want to add a beautiful touch to your kitchen, I think this salt and pepper grinder set does just that. And that's my point of view.